Hello, in this tutorial I'll be showing you step by step how to make a personal portfolio website on Wix. Wix is one of the most highly rated website builders as it is easy to use, beginner friendly, and you can also get started for completely free. For example, with this website you'll be able to create it for completely free and have it free forever. So what I want you to do is go onto wix.com. From there, you can choose to sign up using your email address or your Google account or Facebook account. Once you're signed up, you'll be redirected to a page just like this. And you're going to tap on Create New Site in the top right hand corner. After selecting Create New Site, I want you to tap on Build on the Wix editor. Then you're going to be redirected to this page and you're going to tap on Set Up Without Chat. After selecting Setup Without Chat, on the search bar, you're going to type in Personal, and you can see Personal Portfolio. We're going to select that. Then you're going to tap on Continue. After selecting Continue, you will be redirected to your dashboard. Once on your dashboard, you can add in your website name. So for example, I'll just call it Jason Site. So let me type that in real quick. Then we'll tap on Continue. From here, you can choose the apps that you would like to add. So you can add the portfolio app, which would allow you to display your work. You can also select the Instagram feed app, which will allow you to display your Instagram feed. You can also select blog and you could create articles. If it is a case that you would like to share, stream, or sell videos, you could select the video app. And you can scroll down and you can see other apps that you can also add. And don't worry if you don't know what type of app you would like to add at the moment, or in the future you'd like to add an app. I'll be showing you how to do that later on in the tutorial. So you're going to tap on Continue, then select Continue once more, and you're going to be redirected to your dashboard. Once on your dashboard, you're going to go over to the left hand menu option and you're going to select Portfolio. After selecting Portfolio, you have a few options. You can either set up your portfolio with the Wix AI, so it automatically selects it to set up with the Wix AI. So you could select the category that best suits you, then tap on Next, and with that you'll be able to set up your portfolio using AI. But if you don't want to use the AI, you could tap on Set Up Without AI. Then from here you're going to see some sample pictures or portfolio. To remove them, you will tap on the box in the top left hand corner to select all of them, then tap on Delete Selected. So that will allow you to remove all of the sample products right here, or projects better yet. And to add your own project, you will tap on Add Project in the top right hand corner, input your project name, tap on Next, then you can add in a description. And the thing that I like about Wix is all right along the way you can tap on Generate AI and you can use their AI feature to help you. You're going to tap on Next once more. Then from here you could put in the project type, for example portraits or illustrations, and you can put in the date and also location. Then you'll tap on Next, and from here you could upload your work. So you could tap on Upload Media from Computer and you could upload your work just like that. After you have added your projects, you can organize them by tapping on Manage Collection in the top right hand corner. From here you could tap on the plus and you could create a new collection. So this will make it easier for persons once they visit your website to find the right project for them, so you don't have all of them jumbled up. So I would definitely recommend that you do this. For example, if you're a graphic designer and you have a lot of work that you're uploading or so on, you don't want everything to be jumbled up on one page. You want it to look organized and neat. So you want to create different collections for all different portfolio. After doing that, you're going to go over to the left hand menu option once more and you're going to select blog. And if you would like to write a blog article, you can tap on Create New Post. And as I stated earlier, along the way, if you want any assistance, you can always use the Wix AI and you can see it in the top left hand corner right here. So you can use it to assist you with writing an article. After you have written your article, you could tap on Publish in the top right hand corner for it to go live. Once you have done that, you can tap on Setup in the top left hand corner. Then you're going to tap on Design Site in the top right hand corner. And you're going to tap right where you see Customize a template or Pick a template. After you have done that, you can see there are numerous themes that you can choose from, and this is also another standout feature when it comes onto Wix Website Builder, as they provide you with numerous templates which make it easy for even a complete beginner to create a professional looking website. So you can scroll down and you can see you have numerous templates that you can choose from. But typically I would choose one of the best matches, which tend to be one of the first 3 they recommend. So I'm going to be using this one, so I'll tap on Edit. Once it loads up, I'll tap on the X in the top right hand corner to close the pop-up. Then we're going to tap on the plus 50% in the top right hand corner. And at the moment, this is how our website looks right here. To start editing it, you can hover over any section that you would like to change and tap on Quick Edit in the top left hand corner. So for example, I'll be changing the name right here. So let me do that real quick. So I'll simply type in my name right there. So let's do that. So I'll type in Jason Tutorials. And then you can continue editing it. So you could tap on the other section. And then you could change the text that is currently there also. And you could also edit the form that is there. And if you would like to change the background image, you can do that. All you would need to do is simply select it. After you have done that, you will see the option Change Background, and from there you could choose an image that you would like to use as the background. But I will leave it as is, as I do like this background. And by the way, if you would like to add any element that you don't see, or you would like to add a section onto this website, you can quickly do that. So all you'll need to do is simply scroll down. Then from there you could tap on the arrow right here, and this would be the footer section. You could edit the footer section. And to add a section right here, before you reach the footer section, you would tap on Add Sections. Then you could tap on Design Section. And going over to the left-hand menu option, you can see the different sections that you can add. You can either choose to add a blank section, or you can choose one of these pre-made templates right here. So let's say, for example, I would like to add an About section. So you could select About. Then from there, we could select this one, or let's say this one better yet, and you'll drag and place it, and you can see how it looks right there. And to add more elements to your website, let's say you would like to add background music, or you would like to add text or anything at all, you can tap on the plus in the top left hand corner, and you can see all of the elements that you can get access to. If it is background music you want, you can select video and music, and from there you can select any one of the audio players. As you can see, there are numerous options that you can choose from. And to view all the pages on your website, you'll tap on the third icon from the top left hand corner, and you can see all of the different pages right here. Once you're finished, you'll tap on Publish in the top right hand corner, and your website will now be live. And this is how it looks at the moment. If I were to go onto the portfolio page, you can see how it looks right there. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.